Okay, there's no new vocabulary to introduce in section 4.4. The concept is to multiply decimals. And how I like to teach this is just simply do regular multiplication. 9 times 5 is going to be 45. 9 times 0 is 0, so we don't really need to do anything. And then we count the number of decimal spots behind each decimal in our problem. So on this particular problem, which is problem number 1, we have 1 spot behind the decimal. That means we need to have 1 spot behind the decimal in our answer. Okay, that has to match regular multiplication and then count our decimal spots. Problem number 6, again, regular multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. And then we need to count the spots, decimal spots behind the decimal. So here's 1, 2. So in our answer, we count over from right to left this time, 1, 2, and then put in our decimal. They have to match. So below the line on both of these has to match above the line. So problem number 11, slightly different. Again, regular multiplication. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 1 times 8 is 8, plus the 6. It's going to give us 14. So we have done all of our multiplication. And then we have 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal up top. So we have to have 3 digits behind on the bottom. So we count going this direction, remember, 1, 2, 3, and then place our decimal. Has to match. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Regular multiplication, just simply count our decimal. So let's do another problem down here. We've got problem number 16, 3.47 times 0.0065, and the decimal spot is right here. So again, regular multiplication. Change my colors here. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry the 3. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus the 3 is 23. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus the 2 is 17. Okay, remember we always multiply or start multiplying under. That's where our first number goes. So I'm going to put in a 0 for my space holder. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4 this time. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 2 is 20. Now we're ready to add. 5, 5, 15. Carry the 1. Gives us 2 and 2. So we have 1, 2 spots here. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal on the bottom for a total of 6. So again, we're going to start on this side and count this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and place our decimal. Now I needed to go over 6 spots. So I needed to add a 0 in there for my last digit. Okay, because I have to match. 1, 2 behind for this, for 3.47, and then 0.0065. I have a total of 4. So I have 2 here, 4 here, gives me a total of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to match. Let's look at problem number 27. They're just getting a little bit bigger numbers as we go down the page. 4.02. Okay, so before we even do our math, let's count up how many spots we're going to need behind our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, for a total of 6. Okay, so we know I have to count over 6 spots in my answer. So again, regular multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. We've done our multiplication. Now again, remember our first number is going to go under this digit. We don't have to do anything with the 0, so that first number is going to go right here. So I'm going to fill in 2 digits behind that number so I don't make a mistake. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we're going to add. So we have 2, 3, 2, carry the 1. Drop down. So how many spots we're going to go over? 6, right? Because we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decimal. We didn't need to add any this time. Okay. If you're doing it on a calculator, it's just punch in the numbers. You have your answer. Just make sure you have the right number of digits behind the decimal. If you're doing longhand like we just did here in our examples, it's regular multiplication. Just count over the number of digits behind the decimals on the top. Has to match the number of digits behind the decimal in the answer. So we had 4 plus 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything matches. Have fun with the homework.